City, dating flying from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina-Pasig, Sabote, Calabon, Piñas, Parañaque, Davao North, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add the islands more. Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visaya Shore, famous of the sugar, coconut and corn. Sumaktan Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Sumaque. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mabadao, Buluan, Agusa, Siargao, Cagayan de Oro, Misamis, and the three provinces of Davao. Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lana, Susuta, Pitahawi. Philippines has a great history.